Hello, my name is Ioannis. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download free images from Google, images which you will be able to modify by using Photoshop in order to create some nice and cool effects. So these effects I'm going to create now will allow me to basically change the background color of a picture to be black and white and a particular area of a picture to be colored. So I'm just going to click on this nice picture here. So what I did, I used the Google search wedding photography. I've typed, then I went to tools and selected user label for use with modifications. So I'm going to click this nice picture here of this lovely couple, and I'm going to right click on this picture. Oops. I'm going to click, in fact, I'm just going to click free download. Click OK. You have to log on. Now, if you don't want to log on, let's go back. You can right click and you select save images, but it's a bit distorted. So yeah, you best off create an account with PX here. So I'm just going to save this picture. I'll save it onto my desktop. Let's open that one. Go Photoshop. Let's minimize everything. I'm going to create a new canvas. It's going to be 1200 pixels width. Let's change that to pixels. 1200 by 800 pixels. Create. And then I'm going to go to my folder with a picture. Give some time to load. So my canvas is ready. I'm going to click and drag the picture here. I press the enter key on my keyboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this layer. So I'm going to right click and select duplicate layer. Somewhere there's a duplicate layer. That's it. I click OK. And the top layer, I'm going to right click. I'm going to select rasterize layer. Now I have rasterized my layer. I'm going to make this picture. So with this layer selected, I'm going to go to image, select adjustments, and select black and white, and then click OK. So I've got now this picture black and white. I'm going to Control and plus to zoom in. I'm going to use the space bar to move around. Yeah. So if I use the space bar, the mouse cursor changes to a hand, and then I can click and drag. Okay, I want these flowers, these roses, to be colored. So what I need to do is basically reveal the background layer here. So what I'm going to do with this top layer selected, I'm going to click on the eraser tool, and then I'm going to start erasing this. Let's click here. Sorry, that's the eraser tool. I'm going to click on the eraser tool and then click and drag to reveal the color of the roses. So I'm a bit rough here. Now if I use this option here, I can select different brushes. So I'm going to select more soft brush here. It's going to increase the hardness and the size slightly. So basically what I'm doing, I'm deleting portions of the top layer, and revealing what is on the background layer. So if I remove the background, if I hide the background layer, can you see it looks a bit rough? But if I do this, if I reveal it again, it looks nice. Okay, so this is how we can create some nice cool effects by using Photoshop and free images from Google. Thank you very much for watching.